connected experience is all about knowing your customer in a way that is not done in the traditional manner. That means you are looking at not just the data that is available with you, but also the activities that one performs in conjunction with data that you have, and using technology to enable this in a seamless manner. And making sure that the privacy of the customer is respected at all times. And this is what I think is the definition of a connected experience. And we have gone through the multiple eras of how this experience was translated and communicated. So I would like to understand, according to you, what is connected experience?
Well, I think your definition is perfectly dead on, that it's not just sending out messages that sort of in one direction, but really interacting with the customer continuously, responding in the way a person would respond in a conversation, to listen to what they're saying, respond to that, hear that, listen to their response to your response, and keep adjusting that, which is a more natural approach. That's the way people kind of expect to interact with other people. And nowadays, since almost all of our communications are digital anyway, whether we're interacting with a person via text or whatever technique, or we're interacting with a company, we almost can't tell. Either way, it's something on the other end of the screen, right? Occasionally there's a face-to-face interaction, but most of the time it's actually digital. So we just expect that interaction to be this sort of human-like interaction, regardless of whether or not it's actually with another human. And I think the other thing that's very important is adjusting to context, which traditional marketing didn't do, because traditional marketing simply wasn't aware that, oh, this person is at home, this person is at work, this person is traveling in a country that's not their normal country, and you get very different needs and very different interests depending on the context of the individual. And that also has to get factored into the connected experience.
I think you touched upon a very important piece of how context becomes the king in terms of communication. I think there were attempts made based on intent, right? But intent is more esoteric than the context itself. I think that's a very nice way of putting it.